When you search for inflatable stand-up paddle boards, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Funwater Sky Blue Board. First up is the Funwater Inflatable Ultralight Stand-Up Paddle Board, priced at $135.99. What caught my attention here is its stunning sky blue color and the fact that it has a bestseller badge. If you want a stable and versatile paddle board for all skill levels, this is worth a serious look. It's designed for everyone, whether you're a kid or an experienced surfer. The 3 fins help you glide steadily, while the non-slip EVA deck pads provide comfort and prevent slipping. With over 5,100 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, here's why this matters for you specifically. It means you can trust it to keep you safe while having fun. Now, I did notice some complaints about the weight limit, which isn't specified in the product details. Here's the thing though, for most casual users, it's likely more than sufficient. But if you're on the heavier side or plan to carry a lot of gear, you might want to check the specs carefully. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable, beginner-friendly board to enjoy with kids and friends. Skip this one if you need something that can handle rougher waters. At this price, it's a solid value for your water adventures. Now, if the weight limit is a concern for you, this next option might actually be even better for heavier paddlers. Product number 2, Funwater Sunset Orange Board. Next, we have another Funwater model, the Inflatable Paddle Board in Sunset Orange for $139.93. I found this one just as appealing, especially with its vibrant color. If you want a reliable paddleboard that stands out visually, this is worth checking out. Just like the previous model, it's 10.6 long, 31.9 wide, and 6 thick, offering great stability on the water. This model also includes 3 fins for better maneuverability and upgraded non-slip features, ensuring you stay safe while paddling. With a similar rating of 4.5 stars from over 5,100 reviews, it's clear this board performs well in various conditions. However, some users mentioned that the size might feel a bit cramped for larger adults. But here's the thing, if you're primarily using this board for casual paddling or yoga, it should be more than adequate. Just be mindful if you're planning a multi-person adventure. This is great for you if you want a stylish board that's easy to transport and store. Skip this if you're looking for something super spacious. For under $140, it offers great quality without breaking the bank. Alright, that was a solid option. But if you're after something with a unique design, the next one on my list might catch your eye. Product number 3, Funwater Light Pink Tiki Board. The Funwater Light Pink Tiki Board is next, priced at $139.99. What drew me in is the unique tiki design that adds a touch of personality. If you're someone who loves standing out on the water, this is definitely worth a look. This board also measures 10.6 x 33 and features an upgraded 11-inch fin for smoother gliding. The V-shaped streamlined design means you can achieve faster speeds while still maintaining stability. With a strong 4.5-star rating from a solid number of reviews, it's a reliable option for various water activities. One downside I found was that some users felt the design could affect performance in choppy waters. But honestly, for flat lakes or calm ocean days, this board shines. It's perfect for those leisurely paddles. This is ideal for you if you prioritize aesthetics and fun in the water. Skip it if you're expecting a hardcore racing board. It's a decent price for a stylish paddle board that still performs well. Now, if you're looking for something even more durable, our next product might just be your new favorite. Product number 4, Niffian Refreshing Mint Timber Board. Coming in next is the Niffian Inflatable Stand-Up Paddle Board, priced at $179.99. I was really impressed by its refreshing mint timber color. If you're looking for a paddle board that combines style and quality, this one is worth your attention. Measuring 10.6 x 33 and supporting up to 450 pounds, this board is perfect for riders of all sizes. With a 3-year manufacturer's guarantee, you can feel secure in your purchase. It also includes a waterproof phone bag and a repair kit, making it a complete set for any water adventure. With a 4.7-star rating from 4,000 reviews, it shows that users are satisfied with its performance. However, some users found that the setup can be a bit tricky at first. Here's the deal: once you get the hang of it, it's manageable, and the performance you'll get in return is worth the initial learning curve. This is perfect for you if you want a high-quality paddle board with a great warranty. Skip this if you're looking for something super lightweight, as it does weigh a bit more than others. For the features it offers, the price is quite fair. Alright, if you're looking for something that's incredibly portable and easy to use, the next one on the list might just be what you need. Product number 5, Rock Aqua's board. Last but not least is the Rock Inflatable stand-up paddle board, priced at $199.99. The vibrant aqua's color really stands out. If you want a board that's not only stylish but also built to last, this one's worth considering. This board features a wide 33 deck, which enhances stability for all skill levels. Its durable military-grade construction makes it 50% stronger than standard boards, which is a big deal if you're planning on using it in various water conditions. With a stellar 4.8-star rating from nearly 10,000 reviews, it's hard to argue with its popularity. But I noticed a few comments about it being on the pricier side. Here's the thing: the quality and durability you get make it a worthy investment, especially if you paddle often. This is perfect for you if you want a high-performance board that's built to last. Skip it if you're just starting out and need something more budget-friendly. For the value it offers, it's definitely a solid choice. So in the end, each board has its strengths and weaknesses. From Funwater's family-friendly options to Rock's durable design, you really can't go wrong as long as you choose based on your specific needs. To recap, we looked at the Funwater Sky Blue board, the Sunset Orange board, the Light Pink Tiki board, Nifian's Mint Timber board, and finally the Rock Aqua's board. Each has unique features that cater to different paddling styles and needs. Choose wisely based on what fits your adventures best.